In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create graphics for free with Canva AI. So start by opening up Canva, then next in the left panel, go to Canva AI. So here, click on the text box and choose design. Now start typing your prompt. For example, it could be create a modern social media post about fitness with bold text and bright colors. Make sure that you press the submit button and instantly Canva AI will create a ready-made design for you. As you can see here, Canva AI even gives us few design options that you could choose, and you can always customize those designs, use them in Canva Editor, and here you can start changing texts, swap images, adjust colors, and apply your own branding. You can also use free elements, photos, and fonts available inside Canva. And finally, once done, simply download it for free or share it directly online. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!